Elon Musk met with the Pope. I'm sure you saw this. You don't miss any of this type of thing.
Yeah.
And it produced an interesting photograph, didn't it? An interesting photo came of this meeting. You have Elon on the left, a little bit of space.
So no one can be near the Pope? Is that how it works?
Hey, man, don't ask me for Pope rules. I don't know Pope rules. I like the room that they're in. The circular painting back there. I don't know. There's something going on in this room. There's something going on in this photo.
Okay, yeah.
It's posed, but it's also how many takes? Not many. I think it's a one-take wonder. Where is this room? Doesn't feel like a church. It feels kind of like an office and a church all in one. Floors are a bit upgraded. Pope's outfit, unbelievable.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody else in a suit.
Yeah.
The distances are interesting. The spacing is interesting. Elon by himself, Pope, and then kids on the other side.
Uh-huh.
And the kids are all exactly the same height.
Yes.
Which...
just dress relatively the same, I guess. Right?
There's ties involved. Some of them mixed it up with the brown shoes on the one. These things,
colors.
I'm captivated by these things.
Yeah.
A little bit of Elon in each of them.
Is it a bit liminal?
Well, the room is for sure. I mean, the room is well, we'll get there as today progresses. But you know, the conspiracy theorists, they go wild with this. Elon meeting the Pope. What's going on here? But one thing I don't mind is hanging out with the kids. You don't see a lot of it, and not that you have to. You don't have to show me that. You know, keep it to yourself, whatever. But he's traveling around with the kids.
That's good.
Go meet the Pope. I don't know. Do you have anything?
Just a regular Sunday.
Do you have anything you want to say about this photo? Anything you're feeling? Like, what is the overall emotion you're feeling here as you see this?
I think it looks a bit awkward.
Yes.
Based on the things that you pointed out.
Yes.
The spacing is what gets me. And also the high ceiling of the room. It's very weird.
It's a huge ceiling, but very square. No cathedral style in here.
It's also crooked, the photograph.
The window is small. The drapes are enormous.
Mm-hmm.
Is the child on the far right, is he celebrating? Is that like a fist in the air? And then the one guy is obviously like by far the most professional. No. To the guy on his own.
Oh, yeah.
I'm over here on my own. Look at the posture. And the angle. Anyway, I look into this stuff way too much. Let's move on to the next.